conversion out for a Ford dealership. They were out of South Carolina and hired us to do their brand new Ford Transit. So we're extremely excited to begin this relationship with them. So the client wanted a clean look, so we did white cabinets, white lower cabinets. We did butcher block countertops, as well as a butcher block table on a lagoon mount. We tied that all together with cedar ceiling and then a dark maple flooring. So I'm really excited to see their reaction when they see the van.
That's awesome. Looks great. Man, it's perfect. You totally under-promised and over-delivered.
I think they were great. I would recommend them. They work well. They contacted me saying, hey, what color do you want? Creativity of just like popping in the toilet and saving space. Is this the right wood you want? And so
just have no complaints at all. We're very pleased.
I couldn't be happier. And so I'm sending another van up.